good money here. Secure, got prospects. You work hard, lad. A few years hard graft,
Oh God.
you're set up for life.
It is the 25th of February 2026, and the big news in the tropical cyclone world is that a couple of days ago in the southern Indian Ocean, intense tropical cyclone Horatio became the first Category 5 storm of 2026.
Good. Oh, it works. Alright. Okay. Alright. You ready? My higher side, a lot easier. Well, you see me higher side anyway. I'm on about 28, roughly, right now. Should be able to just blot it and it'll go. But you can see those interactions there, pulling it, straightening it up. I've had to use a lot of strength. Higher side, I don't have to. As I said, there is a slight sliver of chalk gas in the air. Basically, anyway. Okay. There's that. I have a crazy way through there, so let's do it. What's happened? Okay. You need to double check your end, these interactions which are fully blown on the screen now. I'm projecting over there what that is, basically. You need to check it in your end. I just took a massive sniff of the smoking vinegar. Gases, all gases for delivery have to be alkaline. Vinegar, acid is a cure, an easy cure. Okay, so if you just run out of vinegar, just need a little bit. But okay, so check that your end if that's accurate to what occurs. So, oh, sorry for my wonderful neighbor. So you can see that isn't a simulation. That is what happens. Okay, that's really important because they layer a con on the top to keep control of me. After I was getting there, I'm making this work. Check your end, see if it's the same. Basically, I have a theory about this kind of stuff, about time and everything, which is quite, I explained before that time fundamentally itself is fixed, but it's only fixed because it's, how should I explain it? We still have all the free will and everything, and so on, have our lives. I jumped there because I wanted to, but time only knew at that point I chose to jump there. You see, there's nothing to do with having no free will. If you see it that way, it's because either you find an excuse to say, well, a dickhead Adam is. Right, let's get on. They are gassing the horn more now because, you know, you ready? As you see, I'm holding the hurricane there, specifically. And that is on purpose because the winds okay. Moved it up. But it's been it's still formed. Right. I've only got 3% battery left. We've got to hurry. Okay.